Home page. The touchscreen's home page displays a clock with two options on opposite sides. The right option directs you to the settings menu, and the left option to the timer. Pressing on the clock brings you to the main menu, but before that, let's run through the settings and timer menus. Settings. On the settings page, you have 5 options. Choosing your preferred temperature measurement from Celsius or Fahrenheit, setting up the time on your range, adjusting the volume of the beep produced when selecting options and whether or not you even want a beep, enforcing a child lock, and an option to exit to the home page. Timer. From the timer menu, you can increase and decrease the time and confirm your desired time. There's also an option to use a numeric keyboard. The red button will bring you back to the home page. Pressing on the timer will direct you to the cavity selection menu. Here, the main oven and the storage/warming drawer are displayed. Pressing on the main oven square will direct you to a screen comprised of 3 selectable squares. The left square brings you to the oven function selection page. Besides selecting a function, you have a choice between dry and wet cooking and an option to confirm. The middle square allows you to set the cooking temperature. You can manually set the temperature by dragging your finger across the scale or using the on-screen minus and plus buttons. You can also set the cooking time from the right square. Confirming it boots you back to the previous menu. There are also 4 options on the lower end of the screen. Beginning from the left, an option to turn the oven light on and off. To return to the home page, oven selection, and finally, an option to set the oven on after you've input your desired settings.